If you are wondering if you can pay with Nothing Phone 3, then the answer is yes, you can easily pay with this phone. In order to do so, first of all, we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. So we're gonna open Settings, then we're gonna go to Connected Devices and open Connection Preferences. Over here we have NFC, so we need to make sure that it is enabled. You can also require device unlock for NFC, this is actually recommended. And you can also check contactless payments in order to choose the default wallet app. In my case, I'm gonna use Google Wallet and we're gonna use this app, of course. By the way, for NFC, we can also go to Quick Settings and we can add the NFC button over here. In order to do so, it might not be present from the by default, so we can press on this pen icon in order to edit the control center, and then you should be able to find NFC somewhere over here. So I'm just gonna press on NFC in order to add it to the list. So now we have a little bit quicker access to NFC in case we want to turn it off, because we don't have to have it enabled all the time, just when we want to pay with our phone. So another thing that we need to do is set up our card. We need to add our credit or debit card to a wallet. And we're gonna use the Google Wallet app in this case. In my case, I have it over here in the app drawer. It should be pre-installed. However, in case for some reason you don't have it, you can simply go to the Play Store and you should be able to find it quite easily. You just write wallet over here in search and you should be able to find the Google Wallet app. So let's open it. Over here we can press view wallet. You can grant notification access, of course, or permission to notifications actually. And then we can press add to wallet in the bottom right corner. Then you can choose what you want to add to wallet. So I'm gonna choose payment card. Wait a couple of seconds, you should be able to open the rear camera. So now you can scan your credit or debit card. However, if the scanner doesn't work properly, you have issues with it, then you can also press this text over here, enter details manually at the bottom. So now, of course, over here we need to fill everything in and then press save and continue, and then follow all the steps that you will see on the screen in order to finalize this process. Once you add your card to Google Wallet, you can start paying with your phone. Remember, once again, about NFC, to have it enabled, you just use your phone just like you use your credit or debit card if you make contactless payments. And that's pretty much it. If you're looking for more guides for Nothing Phone 3, be sure to check out my channel.